What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson's Happiness and Retirement channel, and I'm coming at you today with another recipe. This one is special because it's my mom's secret summer squash and tomato casserole. So you need just some summer squash, like I got right out of my garden here. And you need just some tomatoes, like I got right out of my garden here. And some seasoning, like salt and pepper and Italian seasoning or whatever you want, and some cheese, and you do it in layers. And then my mom's recipe calls for thick sliced bacon to be put on top, but I'm gonna be a little healthier about it. I'm gonna use prosciutto, as the Italians say. So then you just put it in the oven and bake it for 350 Fahrenheit for like an hour and a half to 2 hours until it's cooked. Oh yeah, but in between the layers, you also put instant rice. So let's get to it. All right, party people. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer it, and we're gonna put the zucchini or summer squash and tomatoes in a layer, in layers, like so. They're cut into like 1/2-inch slices. We're gonna layer this puppy. Layer it. Cut into 1/2-inch slices. Like so. And we'll put the rice, actually, we'll put some salt and pepper in here. Some seasoning. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper, seasoning of your choice, salt and black pepper. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning in here. Italian seasoning in there. Then I'm going to put some instant rice in here. Just fill in the little gaps there. Instant rice. But you guys didn't see that coming. Then we're gonna put some cheese, if you please, on top of that rice. Woo! Now we're talking, baby. Got that fantastical cheese. I just got a Mexican cheese blend here. We're gonna sprinkle on that baby. Sprinkle a little cheese happiness in there. A little cheese goodness. Goodness gracious. Love me some cheese on my mom's secret casserole recipe. And then you just repeat the next layer. Put them squash babies in there. That's right. Do it upright. Put the rest of them tomatoes in there. Do it upright. There we go, baby. A little bit of seasoning like we did last time. Some salt. Some pepper. Salt and pepper. Italian seasoning. Some Italian seasoning. That's right, baby. Get that Italian seasoning in there. And then we're gonna hit it again with the rice to make everything nice. Fill in those spots with some rice to make everything taste so nice with the rice. Rice-a-roni. The San Francisco treat. Remember that commercial when you were growing up? That's right, baby. And then, again, we're going to put some cheese on top. We're going to probably use the rest of this cheese because it's been around a while. Put some cheese on top. And then you gotta wait till the end because here's the kicker. The kicker is my mom, in her recipe, she calls for really thick bacon to be put on top, right? Well, I'm gonna go a little healthier. I know everybody's like poo-poo on that idea. I'm gonna go a little bit healthier. I'm gonna put some Italian prosciutto in there on the top. See? A little bit healthier because it's thinner and not, it's not like thick bacon, right? Put some prosciutto on top. Yeah, baby, there we go. There's one slice. Probably only need 2 slices. We'll see. Put some prosciutto on there. Make it look all pretty like. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go with 2 slices just to make it taste good. And that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1.5 to 2 hours until the rice is cooked. And we'll see how it turns out, party people. All right, now we're going into the oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna put it in there for 1.5 to 2 hours so that instant rice cooks. We're gonna put the timer on for 90 minutes and we're gonna check it then. Woo! I took it out of the oven, party people, and it smells and looks delicious. Now I'm gonna take a little bite and see what we got going on up in here. Oh! Woo! The black pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, and those homegrown tomatoes. Woo! That is some good stuff, baby. If y'all like my material, hit subscribe and go to the next video. Peace out and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe.